Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience with the resource. Today, we're taking a look at InvestEase by RBC, a valuable resource for learning about investing. Located at rbc.com/InvestEase, this platform offers a wealth of information for both novice and experienced investors. InvestEase provides a user-friendly interface that simplifies complex financial concepts, making it an excellent starting point for those new to the world of investing. Whether you're just beginning to explore investment options or looking to refine your existing strategies, InvestEase offers valuable tools and resources. The site covers a broad range of topics, from basic investment terminology and market analysis to retirement planning and portfolio diversification. With InvestEase, you can gain access to educational articles, interactive tools, and practical guidance to help you make informed investment decisions. Beyond the basics, InvestEase also delves into more sophisticated investment strategies, providing insights and analysis to help you navigate the complexities of the market. This comprehensive resource offers a supportive learning environment where you can develop your investment knowledge and confidence. Explore InvestEase by RBC and discover the power of informed investing. From understanding risk tolerance to building a diversified portfolio, InvestEase empowers you to take control of your financial future. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, be sure to check out rbc.com/InvestEase. It's a great platform to enhance your understanding of the investment landscape and make more informed financial decisions. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Remember, all links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.